Hey guys, this is Carlos Dubon from Brothers Dome. We're going to work on a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette 6.2. We're going to replace the belt tensioner and the belt. We're going to start removing the air intake resonator, and it only has 5 7mm bolts. Just a heads up for you, if by any chance your car is a supercharged system, then this tutorial is not going to work for you since the diagram and the belt's position is going to be different. Let's remove both hoses that goes into the air cleaner outlet duct. As you can see, it has a pin on the middle. You push it at the same time on both sides, and then you pull out the hose. It's gonna be the same thing on both hoses. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor. With a 10mm socket, remove both bolts that grabs the air intake into the frame of the car. Start loosening the clamp that grabs the air duct into the throttle body so we can take it out. We are going to remove 2 bolts that are T25 so we can split in 2 pieces the air intake. In that way it's going to be easier to take it out. With a 15mm socket into the tensioner, go clockwise, remove the belt, and don't worry too much about the diagram since later in the video there's a belt diagram for this job. Now let's remove the lower bolt on the tensioner. I use a 50mm wrench and also had to lift the front of the car because there was more space under the car. Once the lower bolt is out, go back to the top of the car and then remove the upper tensioner's bolt, which is also a 15mm. This is a reminder for you, if you have any questions or need help, leave a comment so we can answer you once we can. Also, if this video helped you, please subscribe and like this video. Now you can take out the belt tensioner. Here I will leave the part numbers for the belt tensioner and the drive belt. You can put back the belt tensioner. Let's start with the upper bolt. Just do a hand tight, then we'll move to the lower bolt, and then you come back to the upper side, Then I'll give you the torque specs in the video. Let's start putting back the lower bolt. Once the bolt is all the way in, here are the torque specs for that bolt. This is just a preview of how the belt tensioner looks under the car. Once you are done with the lower bolt, you can put back the car into the floor, and then here are the torque specs for the upper tensioner's bolt. Install the belt. Here's a diagram for that. As you can see, it goes from the crankshaft pulley, goes over the belt tensioner, then under the AC compressor. It goes all the way up over the alternator, then under the water pump, and finally goes back into the crankshaft. I recommend you to leave the alternator as the last pulley to put the belt on. Now that the belt tensioner is good and the belt is back in place, you can start putting the first piece of the air intake. Install back the second piece of the air intake. For some reason, I couldn't put everything together, so I had to separate the second piece of the air intake from the air duct. In that case, it was easier for me to put it back. Just don't forget to tighten both clamps from the air duct. Now you can insert back the two hoses that you removed at the beginning. Put back the air intake resonator and tight its 5 7mm bolts. I hope this video helped you guys, and also please subscribe so we can see you in the next video.